How to create a floating button on Wix. So for example, right here, let's click on this plus icon and let's head over and add in here a button. Let's click on this button options that they have right here and then let's add in here a button. So they have in here some theme buttons that you can choose from, or you can also have some image buttons, icon buttons, or anything. So for this, I'll just go to this option that we have right here. I'll choose in here this back to top button and I'll add it right around here. Now, don't worry because you can add it to however or whatever section you wanted added. Now we have in here this, so let's just position it right around here. And then for this one, just click on this animation and then let's choose in here a loop animation. So it can be a breathe animation, so it will float like this. Now for this one, you can also right click on it and make sure to pin this to your screen. By pinning it to your screen, it will float while you scroll to different pages or sections of your website. So that's how you create a floating button on Wix. Hope we help.